French press here in the mountains at 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞.
So this guy's business, he has a rope that goes to the other side of the mountain. You can go up there, lock yourself up, and then
Zip line.
How's it called?
Zip lining.
Canopy.
See.
Canopy.
Yeah.
And we have like a hammocks.
Uh-huh.
We put hammocks too in the middle.
Yeah.
And this one is coffee that we have in the farm.
Mm-hmm.
I have 2,000 trees in organic, and I roasted by myself, like artisanal.
Wow.
It's
And
too
it's
sweet.
amazing. Each time I come here, I stop to have coffee. Each
Yeah.
time.
How long you been doing this?
8 years.
8
8
years.
years with the coffee.
Okay.
And 2 years more with the zip lining, with the canopy.
How'd you learn it? Did you teach yourself or?
And the coffee, yes, I learned by myself with internet.
Wow.
But the zip lining, we have a friend in 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐿, another town, and he have another process who calls 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿, and we contract him to do the structures, to learn, to teach you how to learn, and then we do it 2 years and a half doing it. And the coffee, yes, it's all experiment.
Okay.
Roast, try, not that good. In 8 years, I have the technique now.
Perfect.
See.
Okay.
Enough talking now. Let's try.
Thank you. Let's try this out.
Each time I come by here, I stop to have coffee.
Oh yeah, that's
Because
good.
it's really, it's crazy. In Colombia, it's really hard to find good coffee.
Yeah, it is. That's true. This is legit coffee. It's the French press way, organic way,
Artisanal.
artisanal.
We roast kilo by kilo
Yeah.
in a pot. It's too much artisanal. It's only fire and remove all the
Okay.
time, like 50 minutes at the fire.
Wow, that's unique.
Yes.
This guy's own product. You sell it? You sell the?
Yes, we sell package too.
Okay, very
This
nice.
is in beans,
Nice.
recently roasted. Yes.
Wow. I like.
And then we grind it in this one. It's a corn grinder, but we do it here.
Old school grinder, corn for corn. You
It's
said.
for corn, but we use it for coffee.
Oh, okay. Wow. You got a whole operation, my man. Got a whole operation. What's the life like out here? Is it very calm?
Yes, totally. The city is too much noise and everything is more expensive. Here is more quiet. The water you see everywhere. The tranquility, the birds. Here is magnificent. I can grow my own food. I can do my own coffee. Beautiful to live in the farm.
And you lived in the city before?
Yes,
And
all
where?
my life.
Medellin?
All my life, and I have 10 years living here.
Okay.
Yeah, I decided to get out of the university. I was learning plastic, como artes plásticas, plastic arts.
Okay.
And I leave it and came here.
Okay.
I go to Chile first and Argentina, and then came to take the family farm
I have to ask you, how'd you learn English?
in the school.
Okay, in college. It's very good, man.
Yes,
Very good.
I need more vocabulary, but I do it. For example, all the coffee tour, we do it in English too.
Okay.
Beautiful. And look how it grinds.
Awesome. Guys, you cannot smell this, but it smells amazing.
Recently roasted.
You just roasted it. It's fresh. It's amazing. I think I need a bag. Do you sell a bag or
Yeah,
no?
we sell a bag, but the things that I have is that I don't have clean bags to do it because I sell all the coffee to my yesterday.
You're sold out.
Yes, and they came today, so tomorrow I have the package.
Okay, maybe I'll stop back on the way.
Perfect. If
Yeah.
I don't have it, I can sell it you in a
Jar.
Yes.
Okay. Cool, man.
We have 250 grams in 30,000, in 30,000.
Okay.
This one. Remember, it's organic, artisanal, and we have to process more. One is a long fermentation that we put the coffee to fermentation like wine, anaerobic, and the other process is honey. So we don't remove the pulp of the coffee. We dry it with the coffee.
Okay.
So it's honey, long fermentation, artisanal, and organic.
Wow. I gotta ask, man, because everybody in the world is coming to Medellin so fast, right? Many people, Americans, Europeans. What about Medellin did you not like?
Bueno, I think a lot of things I don't like about Medellin. I think more is like the culture is good and some spaces are good, but the stress, I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, the stress.
Yes, it's the worst. So the money.
Anxiety.
See, and the Medellin is so much aesthetic. So you need to look good. You have a pressure, a social pressure. The work is difficult. The money is not done. The money get out quickly.
It's all about money too,
Yes.
right? Everyone's trying to, like you said, have a good impression and look good when they're maybe unhappy.
Yes. Everybody, all the people that came from Medellin says, "Hey, you live really good. I want this kind of life," but they don't do it.
Okay.
It was not easy because I don't know how to work the land, and in 10 years I learned it. It was difficult. All day picking coffee, I sleep and drink to picking coffee. Everything coffee was too difficult, and for the hands, it's hard. But the transformation, the tourists, and everything makes me get help from other people and get more quality. I am my own boss in my house.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's a big one, man.
Yes.
I know a lot of people, they're trying to get away from working for somebody on someone else's schedule. You know, so your schedule is the land and what the land needs, right?
Beautiful, yes, more
nature,
real life.
Yeah.
I think maybe in the travel is the same. You think in the day. What I'm going to do today, what the life present me today.
Yeah.
And the life here is more like that. You are more in the present than in the future, in the past.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And yes, it took me 10 years to work hard. Sometimes I don't feel good, but today I pick the fruits.
Are there?
Hard working.
Are there any bad sides to living out here? Is it lonely, or is there anything you don't like?
At first, the lonely feeling was difficult because I came from a city, so I feel that I need to be with people all the time. So it was difficult, but the years was passing and was more easy. I think here is there's not a lot of opportunities for the young ones and for the older suit and po. The others don't have the opportunity to. I think this is the worst.
Yeah.
The government leave us alone in the rural zones.
Yeah.
So we have to survive like that.
Yeah.
So you can save money to your projects. You are always at the limit.
Yeah. It's very hard to make a lot of money.
It's really difficult to make a lot of money in the rural zones in Colombia.
Yeah.
Here we are privileged, but it's difficult too.
Yeah.
Too much.
Hey, well, I appreciate that, man. Heard it first, man, from a man who left the city and found his happiness out here. That's pretty amazing. I think a lot of people can sympathize with that and what he's saying. Yeah, for sure.
Both left the city.
Yeah. I'm still stuck in the city, but maybe I'll be gone one day. We'll see.
I think the more difficult is to take the beginning.
First step.
The first step, take the leap of faith.
Yes, because I think we are in a world that permits to work at distance and a lot of things. There's a lot of opportunities. For example, you have a work that permits you to go out.
Yeah. Man, this coffee is amazing. It's amazing.
It's too sweet. And when you let cold a little bit, like a fruit flavors.
Oh, man, yeah. Because you could taste it a little bit better when it's still hot, but not really, really hot, you know?
Yes, because the hot hide the flavors.
Exactly.
when you let a little bit cold, yeah, you can taste it more.
Yeah, man. Sheesh. You sure you can't? You don't have any other bag? Nothing? No other? Nothing
But
plastic?
if you want, I can do it in this one. I can put you in this one and
The
you
jar?
take it.
Let me see if I have a bag. Let me see.
Because we can, in this one I don't need it.
No.
I bring it and I can sell for you.
Okay.
If you
All right.
want, we can,
I'll take it.
yes, I want 250.
Yeah, what is that, 30 mil?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Since you're so passionate about it, man, I'll give you 40 mil. You have change? You have 10?
I have 10, yes.
Okay, I have a 50. You know? And this guy's story is so amazing. I gotta support that. That's amazing. And like you're saying, you know, it's hard for people to continue their dream out here because it's difficult to make money. Coffee is grown all over Colombia. A lot of people pay for the cheap coffee instead of paying for the expensive good stuff.
Estás de afán, parce.
Si no, que nos va a coger la noche.
Puedo subir 3 segundos a la casa por la gramera para pesar.
Ah, sí.
Sí, tranquilo. No hay afán, no hay prisa. We chilling. Here's you can look him up, Tintico Frio. There's a number and the Instagram right there. And you get this amazing view. What better way to end a day like that, full of adventure? Wow. This part of the world is truly something special. I'm a fellow motorist. How you feeling, Alex?
I'm feeling amazing.
Yeah?
Had a great day.
Yeah. Yeah. No issues, man. The
How are you
best
feeling?
weather. I feel good, man. I have no regrets, nothing like. Except for
your thoughts about your first hydro expedition.
let's see. My first hydro expedition. First of all, it was amazing. I didn't really know what to expect. I just saw your pictures, and you told me it was super difficult, you know, and I just took the leap of faith. Like, I've been riding my motorcycle all over the place, not necessarily always in Trocha, but I've been through Trocha here and there for small amounts. So I looked at it as a learning experience, and it definitely did not disappoint. Like, as a guide, you know some amazing places, amazing people that you've introduced me to on this ride.
And you know, there's also something that is part of hydro expedition is that we try to have locals. Obviously, I'm not a local, even though I live here, right?
Yeah.
And we try always to try to discover and get those people to be known. You know, like the farm where we stopped. You know, I told them, yeah, can you get us some water? So when we go there, we buy them some water. We try to help them out. You know, because that's how you know, it's not only a business. We try to make everybody eat a little bit. You
It's
know?
a community, right?
Yeah.
I can tell that you're really passionate about this community where
Yeah.
you call home and stuff. The way you've gotten to know not only the grounds and the routes,
But the people
but
also.
the people, man.
Yes.
Like, and the language. You're another person that speaks excellent Spanish, which is amazing to see. And yeah, man, I just have a lot of admiration for what you're doing. You're living your dream, you know, the whole thing. And I didn't know, like I said, I didn't know what I was getting myself into today. You know, he just told me it was going to be hard, but it was really hard. But the payoff was amazing. Those charcos were amazing. Even the lunch we had was amazing. So I can't recommend hydro expeditions enough.
The lunch prepared by my wife.
Yeah, that's right. Can't forget that. And yeah, man, like, I'm excited for the next one, honestly. I hope that other people come out and take the leap of faith and come experience this, because it's really something special, man. It's not.
You're more than welcome. Anyone is welcome. Anyone with the right mindset.
Yeah.
You know, we had this discussion, like, you know, sex tourism and everything and drugs. So we do not support that at all.
Yeah.
So if you want to come here and fuck whores and do some drugs,
It's not the place.
it's not the place.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to discover like the real, actual Colombia, you know, how Colombians live and how they live out of the land,
Yeah.
then it's the place. It's the place.
Awesome. Yeah, man. Cool. We're gonna enjoy this coffee. I'm gonna get a little bit to take home, and we're gonna get some food here in a minute. Then we got what, another hour on the road. Get back to San Rafael and get some good food, man. Y'all are locked in at Kari.HQ. Make sure you give my boy a follow, Alex at Hydro Expeditions, and send him a DM. What's the best way to get in contact with you? Like WhatsApp, DM?
I have WhatsApp, I have Instagram, I have Facebook, so
Yeah.
anything
Just-
you want, really. We're open to anything.
Yeah, and if you don't have a bike, but you ride back home, all you have to do is get in touch with Alex. He'll tell you where to rent bikes, whatever type of bike you want.
Exactly.
You know, he knows people in Medellin.
I know a very good guy who has some really good and well-equipped motorcycles. He makes us a good price also for Hydro Expedition. And yeah, you just contact me. I will put you in touch with this guy. He's American, so if you speak English, it's no problem. So yeah.
Cool, cool. All right, my man's back. We're gonna get a little
We have
coffee.
two opportunities. This one or in a recycled bag.
I like the recycle bag. Yeah, it's easier, and this is more long term. You could keep it around.
Perfect.
All right. Hey, man.
Do you want grinded or in beans?
I wouldn't grind it. I use a filter at home. I just do a pour over with the filter.
And do you need it too small or for like the press or for filter?
No, like this is perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
Because some people likes for espresso more small or
Yeah.
for another preparation more bigger.
Yeah, for the French press, bigger, right?
Yes.
Yeah, no, this is perfect. Cool. Guys, I need a name for my bike. If anyone has the perfect name, drop it in the comments right now. It's your boy Kari, signing off. Until the next time. No, no, no.